I am Tamba John, the Site's Operations Manager for the Kintom Faecal Sludge Treatment Plant. I'm working for Gold Sierra Leone on secondment to Freetown City Council. Well, for now, this facility is the only treatment facility for faecal sludge in Sierra Leone. The problem I'm faced with presently is the capacity of this plant. This plant, as you can see, is a small plant that meets only 40% of the total faecal sludge collected within the municipality of Freetown. And by so doing, there are certain times we cannot accommodate more than 12 trucks per day. Gold Sierra Leone is funding this facility. We are giving technical support. For finances, I can't tell you because I'm not the financial guy. I'm the operations manager.
When you see now the community, people are there behind the community, all the pipe there, now the gutter. When you see them so less than the gutter. All the houses there, where they are this surrounding, they all kaka there now the gutter. All kaka now the gutter. You don't see picking the pass, you can see kaka, you can see papa. All that is not nice. So we need the government for make the support we, for make the number see now kaka now the gutter. Watch out my video back, so the gutter will see kaka now the gutter for me and say go.
We have the vacuum truck operators, which are the VTOs. They are private entity, which they go to various households to collect faecal sludge. They charge as per distance. But what Freetown City Council, through the support from Gold, we bought 2 trucks which were leased to private operators, and they are paying the lease fee to Freetown City Council on a business model basis. Wherein if they complete the payment, these trucks will eventually become theirs and they will start operating as a private entity on their own. This is the first faecal sludge treatment plant in Sierra Leone. It started as a pilot, then to a mini plant, and now we are operating it as a full-blown plant. There are plans on the way to increase the capacity of this facility, and I also hear there is need to construct another plant within Freetown that can accommodate all the vacuum truck operators within the city. Well, like for the faecal sludge, it is a combination of water and excreta. There are protozoas and other diseases that are related to faecal sludge if not managed properly, like the diarrhea, cholera, and the like. But I can tell you, ever since we started operation in 2021 in this particular area, Freetown community was prone to outbreak of diseases.
Even the government toilets, what they use, whether they can empty toilet, now they got through the gutter in the pass. Because then they come empty them, now direct the gutter. The only thing more, tell Papa God thank you, Gold and the other NGO they can put on for the bridge, no blockage again. What are they pass through? That are easy. But the easy, no way.
We are treating through the geobag technology, so flooding does not affect our operations. Gold Sierra Leone is an international NGO who is partnering with the Freetown City Council to improve the faecal sludge management within the municipality of Freetown. So as I can tell you, Freetown City Council is partnering with Gold Sierra Leone for the faecal sludge management. Before the construction of this plant, there was this practice in which the VTO come directly into the solid waste dump site, which is about few meters away from here. They deposit their contents from their trucks, which goes directly into the environment, which is harmful. But since our operations, all vacuum trucks, I don't say they don't do illegal dislodge because I can't rule that out, but 95% of vacuum trucks within the municipality of Freetown access this facility. And the relationship between the plant and the community is cordial, because what goes out from the plant is always tested to check the BOD and COD levels of the wastewater that goes out.
No, we don't see the toilets at the guts again. No more toilets at the guts again. No more caca at the guts. No problem. Because sickness they you don't get virus. Because picking too much, you are picking the go for down there. La guts, la caca in the floats. You don't force you under the eat. You don't see caca fly the pass. You can't stop by food. All you get sickness.
The end use of what we collect here, the dried fecal sludge, we are producing cooking briquettes, which we are testing, and hopefully within the near future, those products will go out to the market for sale. We are on the verge of acquiring a carbonizing unit because we are using locally fabricated drums for carbonization, which cannot meet the market's demand. If that unit comes in, and we are also intending to construct a greenhouse wherein the fecal sludge matters that has been taken from the geobag will be dried within the shortest possible time and then taken into the carbonization units, from where we can get the cooking briquettes on a larger scale. We also have here the home biogas bag, wherein we use green market waste to produce gas. This gas we are using for cooking within this facility. We're also using it or piloting it to produce electricity, which we use within the shortest possible time to power our security post and the main building. We use the voucher system, wherein monies are being paid to Freetown City Council and they come in with their vouchers. Once we verify everything is okay, we have series of treatment process that do go on here. The trucks will reverse to the inlet chamber, or call it the reception chamber, where they deposit they discharge their contents. It flows through the channel, then into the mixing chamber. The mixing chamber has a capacity of 20 meter cubes. It can contain 3 to 4 trucks, depending on the capacity. Once filled, we'll do a circulation process wherein for us to ascertain where we have an homogeneous mix. Once that is done for 5 minutes, we'll switch on the dosing unit, where we have the polymer, which is the chemical being used for the treatment of the sludge, aids the dewatering process, and also allow the sludge to form flux so that water can go out, and also it kills the protozoals that are within the sludge. Then you can see this coil pipe here. We release, it goes through the injection system of the polymer, passes through the foculator, then into the geobags. And the geobags, there are 10 geobags, but we don't use all 10 at the same time. The ones that we are using, we open the valves. Once filled, it stays there for 2 months. It dries up to 20% moisture content. The bags are open and emptied manually. They are taken into the sludge engine bay. From the sludge engine bay, what we intend doing, we are producing compost here for agriculture, or the end product of our treatment is also being recycled. So nothing is being wasted here. All what we treat goes back.
Health is wealth. Health is wealth.
This facility is owned by Freetown City Council and the government of Sierra Leone.